nothing go give them. You hear me I tell you? And no run with that. And you see all of who in a Jamie ears and in a Jamie head. Remember say uno can't turn duck off of this, you know. Remember say uno broke like buckle. No matter how me broke and hungry, me have a platform can click and say Cash App, Zelle and PayPal people. That's how blessed me is. No matter how me hungry and I live now, me can click, me have a platform can click and say, come on guys, catch your speed, Taps and Roses, the best of weed upon TikTok I beg. Quite Perry and me co-worker, World Dog and me co-worker, Triple and me co-worker, Britannia and me co-worker, Raja and me co-worker, whole heap of co-worker me have on this. So what I say, you come talk about look strength off of you. Guy, sir, I go already me pick me them. Look strength off of you. Who pan TikTok me look strength off of? Who pan that up here me ever look strength off of? Tell me. Let me tell you this. You better take back them talk there and easy yourself because I'm gonna tell you this. If me decide say you can't be nobody pan TikTok, you can't be nobody pan this. Because you're a thief, you're a criminal, you're wicked, and people no need for don't give Sheena nothing. Don't say nothing go give Sheena. Anything not for give Sheena, buy food and make them pick it up. Don't say no money go give them. Some people for just tear suffer and hungry. And me can't believe me I talk like this, but God knows it's true. Some people for tear hungry because them are crosses. You have some set of people when you take your money and give them people, uno pop down, uno life start go south. Stop taking the money and give it to some people who are suffer. Don't do it. Sometimes when you take no money so now help some people who are suffer. Bad blessings start following you.